I want to see his teeth. This is what happens. See? When you get your butt scratched. See? Chew, 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 chew. Okay? Now what happens when you stop? What happens? Huh? Well, he just thinks he's going to get another butt scratch. Look, what happens? Oh my goodness, he is persistent. Please scratch me, come on. Oh my goodness. He's climbing all over the mountain. And there goes his teethies again.
Except he's chewing
on his legs, see? Now this dog is not right.
Watch.
He scratches his butt, he chews on his leg.
Watch you.
Yeah.
What am I doing?
If only we knew. This is what happens when you get your rear scratched. Okay, that's enough. He's still trying. A dog. See, this is, oh my goodness. Don't stop now. Please. It feels good. Yes. Please. You still don't have that right itch. Ah, hurry up. I need it now. Hurry. I'm going to have a stroke if you don't. See? Oh yeah, okay.
There we are.